Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you a busy mom struggling to balance work and family and building your businesses? And you're looking into this online space because you dream of replacing that 9 to 5 job, right, with a passive income. And you're wondering, can digital marketing be a side hustle? You're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I will be sharing with you real-time proof of busy moms just like you who are earning a passive income with digital marketing. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. So if you're wondering about digital marketing, if it can be a good side hustle, let's first clarify so we're in the same page, we're on the same page. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about learning the skills to promote your product service online, right? Your target audience is online, so you have to be where your target audience is. And there's different ways that you can learn digital marketing from. There's different ways that you could do digital marketing, from email marketing, content creation, social media marketing, paid ads. You are only limited by imagination. As long as your customers are online, you have to figure out how can you bridge that gap between you and them, right? How can they become aware that you exist with a solution to their problem, okay? Now, digital marketing is a great side hustle because once you learn the skills, you can actually, there's so much you can do with what you've learned. You can use the skills to help businesses, entrepreneurs with the digital marketing, right? You can help them with the digital marketing, or you can actually use them to promote different products and services. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, you can use these skills. But what I do, right, is I use this digital marketing skills to build my business where I promote a done-for-you product, live interactive coaching and mentorship product, which pays me 100% commissions instantly and directly. Imagine that, right? I have access to this proven step-by-step blueprint. I didn't have to create it. I didn't have to put anything together, but I can promote that and get all the money paid directly to me as if I created it. So I am learning digital marketing skills and then using those skills to actually make money, right? So I'm learning and earning at the same time. So let me go ahead and share with you share with you some wins that we have in our community to show you what's possible for you as a busy mom, the kind of money that you can earn. So this is our community here, right? So in our community, we have over 53,000 paid members of our community. And these members are everywhere across the globe, in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Australia. They're all over the world. And what I'm loving about this program is, even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, we get live interactive coaching and mentorship every single week. So you can see our June calendar here. You can see on Sunday we have a technical call coming up with Kim, and then Monday we have a mentoring call. We have another technical call. We have a legacy builder training. We have this Thursday mentoring mindset training. So it's all live interactive. And then we also have this classroom where we have different tools and resources. My favorite resource is this 90-day runs where our multi-millionaire grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning her first million in 17 months. She sends us these videos for 90 days. They appear here. We're on day 34 where she teaches us high income skills. Day 30 to 60, she's focused on email marketing, right? So here she's talking about email nurture sequence ideas, right? Ideas that we can use to nurture our email list. Very, very powerful. And we also have mindset training. So the live interactive coaching and mentorship, you have access to the replays there. You have social media training, mentoring, Zoom replays. All this there is available. This, by the way, is our bonus site, right? The actual blueprint is in this in a different site, right? You get 2 apps on your phone and you can access these apps in the browser. This is the actual blueprint there. But lastly, let me go ahead and share with you some wins, right? That are in the community. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on financial wins. So Danile, 13 days ago, made 3,100 that week, right? Faceless, using faceless marketing, because we actually learned that, right? So if I go here to the actual site and I go view all my products, and then I go to the bonus, exclusive bonus, I'll go to this one. Let me see. Yeah, faceless, invisible empire, faceless marketing, right? She took that training and she's able to earn 3,100 that week of 13 days ago. Mandy, this is why I go live every day. She made $900 after a live, right? Absolutely amazing. I won, let me see, looking for financial, my first 5 sales. Sherry, 5 days ago, shared that. She shared a screenshot, 9,180. Congratulations, well done. And then Christina, 4 days ago, she was lazing on a Sunday and then she got a notification. So she said she shares a screenshot of that from Square, and that's her lazing on a Sunday. Congratulations, girl. Christy, 7 days ago, hit 39,000 in my first 10 months online, right? Last July, I didn't even know what digital marketing was, right? Congratulations. Tinus, 20 hours ago, from 9 to 5 to 16,000 rands in 28 days, right? 30 days ago, I officially started my digital marketing. My first 28 days, I made 16,100, right? Quit his 9 to 5 job that was paying him about a little more than half. So he was working 9 to 5, earning 9,500 rands. And in 28 days, he's earned 16,100. Victoria, another 10K for June already, right? So now, as if this recording, this is the 13th of June, and that was 4 days ago. She made 9,400, so she's almost 10K. Ding, 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 and Wooly, $900. Congratulations. Teresa, 100 doing while I was in work meeting, right? Imagine that. She could have fired her boss in that meeting. This girl, this one got a TikTok video got viral this morning. It's at 100,000 views. Got 100 leads yesterday. Absolutely amazing. Kevin, 22 hours ago, woke up to $900 and shares a screenshot there. Congratulations, absolutely amazing. Another amazing day. Desiree, 1 day ago. That's a screenshot. Congratulations. Jessica, multiple streams while cheering my girl on. Someone means swim, 1,200 while at swim lessons, 900 at practice, love helping families start a new chapter, and so on and so forth, right? So what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no following, no technical skills, and you can plug into a thriving community, our proven step-by-step blueprint, our live interactive mentorship calls, and you can start learning the skills to build a successful digital business, right? So you can finally fire that boss's spend more quality time with your family. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your email. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.